Hello, my little ocean explorers. I'm so excited to dive into this adventure with you. Today, we'll become dolphins, crabs, and sea turtles through 9 magical yoga poses. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. Ready to hold your breath and flow like the waves? Roll out your mat, take a deep ocean breath, and let's swim into yoga. Goddess Pose. You are a mighty sea goddess protecting the underwater temple. Spread legs wide, bend knees, raise arms like coral branches. Protect the ocean.
Three, two, one.
Intense side stretch. You're a seahorse reaching for the sun through the waves. Extend one leg forward, lean down, and feel the water flowing around your body.
Three, two, one.
Now switch sides.
Three, two, one.
Dolphin Pose. Transform into a playful dolphin. Get on forearms, lift hips up, and show your dolphin fin. Jump through wave hoops.
Three, two, one.
Camel Pose. You're a sea turtle peeking from its shell. Arch back, reach for heels, and feel the ocean shell power on your spine.
Three, two, one.
Reverse tabletop. You're a little crab on the ocean floor. Support with hands and feet. Lift belly up and walk like a crab on a sandy beach.
Three, two, one.
Bird dog. You're an albatross soaring over the ocean. On all fours, extend opposite arm and leg. Hold balance above the waves.
Three, two, one.
Now switch sides.
Three, two, one.
Head to knee. You're a jellyfish folding its tentacles. Sit, extend one leg, and lean toward it. Feel yourself gliding smoothly in water.
Three, two, one.
Now switch sides.
Three, two, one.
Legs up the wall. You're a waterfall flowing from heights. Lie on your back, raise legs up the wall. Rest after your underwater adventure.
Three, two, one.
Diamond Pose. You're a sea pearl inside a shell. Put feet together, knees to sides, Meditate in your safe shell.
Three, two, one.
Thanks for joining us on our Ocean Yoga Challenge. Don't forget to give us a star like and subscribe to our yoga channel.